Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on this beautiful holiday inspired makeup. I have had a request to do some holiday makeup looks, and I think this one is perfect for the holidays. It's like a cranberry kind of look with a pop of purple, and it's very easy to achieve. And I decided we're also going to use the new LaColors holiday palettes to achieve these looks because they're so darn affordable. You're going to start by priming your eyelids. We're going to place some powder to catch fallout. And we're going to be using the new LaColors SASSY eyeshadow palette. We're going to pick up that beautiful berry cranberry shade there. And we're going to use that angled like brush that I always use, the 129 from AOA Studio, and we're going to apply that in the outer corner, and we're going to windshield wiper that in our crease. Just going to keep building the color up. It's actually a pretty pigmented shade, but to reduce the fallout we're going to do this in intervals, so to speak, and just build the color up. Keep it in the same general area. I'm just going to darken it up. And then I'm going to take this beautiful mauvey, shimmery, golden shade, checking on my bubby there, and I'm applying that to the lid. Now, it does take a little bit of work to build this up to where I would like it to be. Maybe next time I will use a secondary base so it can have something to stick to. But overall, very beautiful shade. So I just pat and sweep that into the crease, and some of these shades with their different glitter and chunkiness and powderiness, some of them need to be patted, some of them need to be swept, you know, it just depends. So I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm blending down the edges of my look. I'm going to take the single LaColors eyeshadow that I found for 50 cents at Dollar General in French Vanilla and use that as the highlight shade. And I'm using that to blend down the edges. Go back in with the clean blending brush and blend the edges down again, and I'm going to add more color. And then in the end, you're going to get a more faded look when you go back between the clean brush, the brush with color, and the highlighting brush. You're going to get a really nice fade and blend there. So that's just essentially what I'm doing. I'm going back with all the shades and reapplying and adding and blending. And then I'm going to take that beautiful plum shade, dark plum shade in the palette, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Also, if you don't want to use dark black eyeliner for this look, you could use a plum, or you could use brown, of course, or use a nude to help brighten up your your eye area in general. So I'm taking a shimmery shade from the palette and I'm popping that in the inner corner, and I'm just lining, tight lining. So other options for darker eyeliner, like I stated. And I'm doing a very thin line of liquid liner on the top. I don't want to take away too much from the look. Now for lashes, we're using the Maybelline Curvitude Mascara. If you're looking for a good mascara that separates and lengthens, this is a good mascara for that. No added volume, just separation and length, but I like it. And for lips, we're using the LaColors Pout Lip Gloss Matte in Let's Kiss. It's a beautiful pinky nude shade, and it's not overpowering, and I think it went perfect with the look. You could also pair this look with nude lips or even a plum shade if you want. You know, you're the mastermind. We also use the hard candy setting spray, and now our look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful as always. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you try the look out for yourself, and I personally thought this look was perfect for the holidays. So beautiful, glam. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video if you haven't already. Stay tuned for lots more makeup tutorials using these new LaColors eyeshadow palettes.